Next, we'll demonstrate the open chain stitch. Using 6 strands of color number 6, bring up at the upper right. Then, insert below. Don't pull tight. Leave some slack on the fabric. Then bring up from above. Insert directly below. Again, don't pull tight. Bring up above the vertical line, stitch by stitch. Insert below the vertical line. Don't pull tight. Leave some slack on the fabric. Bring up above the vertical line. Then insert below the vertical line. Let's demonstrate again. Bring up at the upper left point. Insert vertically below. Following this pattern, complete the remaining pattern. It's similar to chain stitch. Stitches must connect to form a chain. Last stitch, insert along the outer edge. The bottom uses the same technique. Insert at the outer edge. You can adjust its shape with the needle. This open chain stitch is now complete. Let's look at the finished result.